We're in the single car garage right now. We poured the concrete floor last week. One of the things we like to do is we like to build a concrete step into the house instead of a wood step. So you can see we built this into the back hallway to keep the concrete away from the wood, isolated so we don't have wood deterioration. There's a layer of a rubber product back and behind this called the Vicor, and also we put a second layer of a metal around behind it too, and you can see that over here on the right. So that's going to keep the concrete from ever coming in contact with the wood. Now we'll drywall this. This will be swell, super solid, no wood little step that we have to worry about. Garage windows are now in. We're going to come back in here. We have to put some blocking above the garage door header. Where the garage door opener comes into the wall, we've got to have a strong anchor point or the garage door motor won't do well. Okay, in the back hall from the single car garage, this is a smaller mud bench coming from this direction. You can see the windows came yesterday. We're installing the windows today. If you notice, the windows have kind of a film look on them. There's a little skin product on the outside windows that'll stay on until the very last minute till the house is done. That'll keep the window glass nice and clean and hopefully prevents us from having to wipe the windows at the very end. Entry door, we now have the entry door dimensions. We know what we want to do here. It's going to be a 3/6 or 42-inch wide door, 8 feet tall, with 2 side lights, one on either side. They're both 14 inches. We've calculated the rough opening dimensions for that door, so this is all framed, ready to go. The door unit itself is going to take several weeks to get here. But in the meantime, this is ready to go. We'll block this up with plywood for security. We have to coordinate plumbing with the HVAC contractor to make sure we don't have conflicts in the different bays down below. We'll take a look at that. But he's got his toilet marks in now, his supplies. He's got his venting going on. His sinks are happening. He'll be back to finish up this once we have it more coordinated with the HVAC guys here next week. So off we go. This is all done now. Windows are ready to go in. Of course, some of the windows in shipping, some of the glass got broken. It happens, it's a window. So the window on the side is going to go in. The 3 big ones in the back, those are 48 by 84 windows. Those got shipped in shipping, so they're going to get replaced before we get those in the openings.